2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to the Gilmoys. And today I am feeling like I want to do an editing, edit a video. I haven't edited a video in a really long time. I know all of you guys have been waiting for me to say I'm gonna edit a video, but today I'm feeling like I want to. I feel like I'm gonna put like a cool little montage in the beginning because that's what people do. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you how to make hard, unstretchy slime to nice and stretchy. I'm doing kind of a part 2 of my other video that I did not that long ago, really. When I say not that long ago, I mean not that long ago. Oops, sorry. So, yeah, I kind of didn't really do really good directions in that video. So in this video, I'm going to try to do a little bit better at that because, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to show you how bad the slime is. Here's how bad it is. Yeah, it really sucks. It literally sucks. It won't go back together. It sucks so bad. Has your slime ever done this? Because this is my first slime that is this bad. And literally, I've tried everything, and I just can't find a solution to my bad slime. So today, I'm going to give you the solution and try to give myself the solution. I'm making this intro before I even did this, so it's going to be interesting to see if it works or not. Let's get on with the video. First thing you want to do is pick up your tripod and look around with your tripod for your slime. Where could my slime be? There you are, slime. Now you're going to want to pick up your slime. And you're going to want to walk your slime pretty much to the sink. And then just flop it down. And then you're going to want to turn on the hot water. Pretty much like this. So once you've done that, you're going to let it get it hot. So let's just wait. Now that it's steaming a little bit, you're going to want to take your bowl, take your slime, and just put your slime in your bowl. I'm just going to mush mine at the bottom of the bowl and get some water. Then you're going to want to look at yourself in the mirror because your setup is so weird. Literally, guys, look at my setup. I wrapped my tripod around my wrist, and then I'm holding on to one of the legs. Great. I'm great. Really? I was recording.
No, wait 10 minutes.
So yeah, guys, now wait 10 minutes. I told my dad to say that. But yeah, now you're going to want to wait 10 minutes. Enough with the jokes for now. So now you're going to want to wait like 10 minutes for that to soak. I was going to mix these beads with them. Or those ones. But then I was like, nah. Now take some conditioner and shampoo, any kind you want. I use some coconut curls, even though I don't have, actually I do have a really curly hair. I don't know what I'm saying. Alright. So now you're gonna wanna take it out and play with it. You can put it back in if you need to, but I don't really want to put it back in. It's already been 10 minutes. So first you're going to want to get some conditioner and put some in. It's a different amount depending how much slime you have. Okay, so I put some of that in. Time for some shampoo. And some lotion. So yeah, and now it works. It's really good slime now that I put everything in it. And yeah, so that's how you make it. Yeah.